welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I'm participating in a collaboration, but I'll get to all of that in just a little bit. Time for me to get to work. Now I'm removing the chair covers from my dining room chairs. And then I've purchased some new chair covers in a dark gray from Amazon. And I'll have those linked in my Amazon store in my description box below. So let's get these new chair covers on. Just unboxing them. Amazing quality, and the ones that I removed were the same company. Nice and soft, really good stitching, excellent quality. You'll be happy if you buy these. So let's get them onto the chairs. And I always say it's like putting on a pair of stockings. I have not worn stockings in years. But do you remember how you had to scrunch them all the way up to the toe and then gently pull them up your leg? Same principle. Honey, and make sure you pull your girl's skirt all the way down to cover the legs and the original purple upholstery. Today I'm co-hosting the Home Decor Luxe Club's Vlogtober collab, All the Fall Vibes, where we help you get ready and give you inspiration for the upcoming fall season. Our main host is Allie over at Glam Elegant Living, and co-hosting are Creations by Simone, the Rodgers House, DIY Design by CCW, MMIRIM's Creative Corner, The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, and of course myself, Amethyst Adventures. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So make sure you head on over and watch the entire playlist and show my sisters some love. But what I'd love you to do right now is sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy as I finish putting together this fall dining room look. I've styled today's look very simply. On my table, I've placed a gold tray. And on top of that gold tray, I have a gold candlestick with a beautiful pumpkin that I got at Home Goods. In my vase, which I got from Home Goods as well, I've placed some Dollar Tree pumpkin picks and then my DIY gold chain link. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful. On one of my dining room chairs, I've placed this beautiful throw that I got from Z Gallery. And the gray drapes, I love the way they're pooling at the floor and falling just beautifully. I hope you liked today's look, and if you do, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you to my beautiful sisters of the Home Decor LUXE Club. Please stop by their channels and show them some love and let them know that Amethyst sent you. I hope this gives you inspiration for a beautiful neutral fall look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.